Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you my new pattern. For this one I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. All additional information could be found in the description below this video tutorial. So this pattern a little bit stretchy and this is my own stitch pattern. So let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. I will start from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 19. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The foundation chain is ready. Continue working on my pattern. Let's crochet row 1. It is going to be row for preparation. It is going to be preparation row. Pattern has only 2 rows. Let's begin. 1. This chain stitch for the transition from the one row to another one. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Away from the hook, make single crochet, chain of 2. I skip 2 chain stitches and single crochet into the third stitch. Chain of 2 and skip 2 chain stitches and single crochet into the third stitch. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the third chain stitch. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the third stitch. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the third stitch. Here what I have at this point. Let's finish row 1, chain of 2 and make single crochet into the third stitch. My row is ready. This is the base. I will not include this row into the main pattern. So pattern consists of 2 rows. And I remind you, I will not include this row into the main pattern. Let's crochet the main pattern. This is the first row of the main pattern. Make a chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1. Well done. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. And I'm going to work with my own stitches. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. It is going to be triple stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. I created such kind of stitches by myself recently. My double treble crochet stitch is ready. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands. I count from the top. Pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next pair. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Then work with loops that I have got on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, and pull through 4 loops at once. Here what I have. I continue working on my 3D stitch. Insert the hook between threads, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the bottom part of the stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Last one, I pull through 4 loops at once. So my amazing stitch is ready. Here how it looks. It is magic stitch. I created a lot of patterns with these stitches, such as flowers with such kind of stitches and just pattern, or it could be big part of the project. I call it triple stitches because this huge stitch has 3 small tops. So I'm going to do such stitch into the each chain space. The base of this stitch is double treble crochet stitch. Let's repeat one more time. Make double treble crochet stitch. My basic stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, and pull through 4 loops at once. I have done 2 stitches. Let's make the third one. Continue, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, then insert the hook into the chain space, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, and pull through 4 loops at once. So my second 3D stitch is ready. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this row together. This is the first row of the main pattern. Let's finish it together. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I insert the hook into the stitch. This is the single crochet. I insert the hook into the single crochet, make double treble crochet stitch. My row is ready. Let's crochet row 2 of the main pattern. For this, I'm going to do some chains. For this, make 1 chain, then insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the between stitches, make double crochet like this, chain of 2 for the chain space, yarn over the hook, insert the hook between stitches, these 2, make double crochet. As you can see, I work it with previous stitch. You should make the same height, the same level. You should crochet the same height of the stitches. Let's make some more stitches. I skip this stitch, insert the hook between these 2 stitches, make double crochet, chain of 2, and work between these 2 stitches and make double crochet. Make double crochet between these 2 stitches, chain of 2, and double crochet between previous 2 stitches. Here what I have. Let's stop and look. This is the back side of the pattern. Let's look at the front. So I remind you, I am working on the second row of the main pattern, or in general this is the third row. I'm going to work with these chain spaces. In the next row, keep working in this way till the end of this round. I continue working, make double crochet, I skip these 2, work with next, small piece, make double crochet, chain of 2 and work with the previous small piece and make double crochet. Double crochet into the next piece, chain of 2 and double crochet into the previous piece. Here what I have. Let's complete this row together. Insert the hook into the chain, make double crochet, chain of 2 and double crochet between these 2 stitches. Make single crochet into the 5th chain stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into 2 threads, make single crochet. Row 2 of the main pattern is ready. Let's crochet row 3. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. Let's crochet the second piece of the pattern. For this, make a chain of 5. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To bring up the yarn, yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the chain space, make double treble crochet stitch. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the first pair, two, 3, then insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops 1, 2, and pull through loops on the hook. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops 1, 2, and pull through all loops on the hook. So my triple stitch is ready. Let's crochet the next triple stitch. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the chain space, make double treble crochet stitch, and so on. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row together. This is the 3rd row of the main pattern. I started the second piece of the pattern. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the single crochet. This is my single crochet. Make double treble crochet stitch. Make a chain. Turn the work, insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. Yarn over the hook. I skip this small piece. Now I'm working with next small space. I leave this small space for the next time. Make double crochet and chain of 2 and double crochet into the previous small piece. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second small piece, make double crochet, chain of 2, and double crochet into the previous piece. I skip this part and double crochet into the next one, chain of 2 and double crochet into the previous stitch. Make double crochet into the second small piece, chain of 2 and double crochet into the previous piece. Insert the hook into the second small piece, make double crochet, then chain of 2, make double crochet into the previous piece. I skip this part, continue working with the next one. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch. Insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet and double crochet into the previous small piece. Let's repeat one more time. Make double crochet and now insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch and make single crochet. So one more row is ready. Let's stop and look. You should create this pattern as many times as you need for your project. It depends whatever you want. You can create coaster, tablecloths, or another accessories for home, for your vehicle, or it could be a part of huge project. This is the front side. It is a little bit stretchy. Please write comment below the video what you will get with this video tutorial and where you will use this pattern. So as you understood, you should repeat the first and the second row of the main pattern. So that's it, my pattern is ready. As you can see, I have done 8 rows of the main pattern in the white color and 8 rows in the blue color, plus 1 row for preparation. For these 2 examples, I use different kinds of yarn. Here how they look like. And I remind you, this is my own stitch pattern. I use my own stitches in different projects, so please use it and write comment below the video what you will get with me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorials. It is a little bit stretchy pattern. It could be perfect to create cover or tablecloths, wrap or blanket and another accessories for home. For the winter season, you can use wool yarn to make your cover or blanket warmer. See you next time. Bye!